A slightly different Mavic Mini Rebox unboxing. Let's get started, shall we? Hello YouTubers, this is Ariel Max here. Just starting my YouTube channel here, and I thought I'd start with my favorite drone as of right now, which is the Mavic Mini. And this is a quick unboxing, and as you can see, it's a very high quality box, and DJI just does a very good job with their marketing material as well as the packaging material as well. You just can't beat them in that case. So this is the first item that's part of the unboxing, which is these propeller guards. Very nice, good for flying indoors and near people. The next item is the actual case itself, which is one of my favorite cases from DJI. I usually don't like their Fly More combo cases, but this is an exception. I really hope they make them like this in the future. Here, just looking overall. The next here is the manuals, and there's quite a few of them. A couple of them might be useful, a couple of them are just for warranty purposes, or maybe just for comic relief in this case, and stuff you should not and should do. So just go ahead and take a look at that and figure out what it will. Next there is the just some warranty information, the quick start guide for the Mavic Mini, Fly More combo, and just some other documentation. Next here we have the DJI USB quick charger. It's rated at 5 volts, 3 amps on the Qualcomm 3.0 quick charge specifications. It uses around 22 watts quick charge and 8 watts normal, and a very nice charger. The next we have here is the intelligent, or sorry, no, they're not intelligent. They're just, I guess, regular flight batteries, 2400 mAh, 7.2 volt lithium ions. And here is the main unit itself. As you can see, it's in the case. Let me just zipper here for you. And there you go. There's the Mavic Mini. Yeah, let's just take the main unit out. Yeah, there I put some of these shark stickers on it and give it a little bit of personality and style, and I think it looks good. Yeah, and here is the remove before flight sticker and the underside of the Mavic Mini. Here is the remote with the pre-flight checklist that I put on the front, because the front really didn't have anything else on it other than the DJI logo. It's a nice remote, standard. And next is the power charger or power bank, which can charge 3 batteries in sequence from the highest charge to the lowest charge to get you flying quicker. And it's also got a USB output. If you can focus right there, yeah, and it charges via micro USB, which kind of sucks. I kind of wish it was USB Type-C, but what can you do? In any case, here is the extra propellers that you get and the screwdriver to put them on, Phillips. Next we have the RC control leads. This one is the USB Type-C. I really wish DJI would start incorporating more Type-C into their products, but what can you do? But here's a micro USB, and here is a lightning connector. And this is the one I use the most. They're very nice, compact. They design them so that it doesn't dig into your hand when you're holding the controller, if you're just using your phone. They include 2 extra control sticks, which these ones are different from the other ones. They're made of plastic, but they're still good. Same threading design. And DJI also gives you 2 other quick charge USB micro cables there. There's one, and then there's the other one. Okay, well, here is a screen capture from the DJI website, a visual representation of what's in the box. And here is a textual representation of what's in the box. The Mavic Mini is really a great drone. It's really good value, produces great video, pictures, and has a lot of technology packed into it. Thank you for watching. Like this video if it helped you or entertained you in any way. Fly safe out there and have fun. See you later.